Hello students.
Hello, ma'am.
We have all studied about accounting flowchart.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what do we do to check the balances of ledger accounts? Whether the balance of the ledger accounts have been computed correctly or not. Anybody?
No idea, ma'am.
No problem. Sometimes the balances of the ledger accounts are computed incorrectly because there are innumerous transactions in a business organization. So for that, we have to prepare a trial balance. A trial balance checks the arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts. Okay. So what is a trial balance? A trial balance is a list of balances of all ledger accounts and cash book. Adhering to the principles of the double entry system, all the assets and expenses are posted in the debit column of the trial balance and all incomes, liabilities and owner's equity are posted in the credit column of the trial balance. As per the double entry system, the total debit amount of the trial balance should match with the total of the credit amount. Okay? So, is everybody clear with the concept of what is a trial balance?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. So now we will proceed with what are the features of a trial balance. Okay? Should we?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, features of a trial balance. Firstly, a trial balance is a statement and not an account. Secondly, a trial balance is prepared on a particular date, maybe monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Thirdly, a trial balance checks the arithmetical accuracy of the books of accounts. So, these are the three features of a trial balance. Okay?